What's up, y'all? It's your man, Mr. J, coming back with another video, man. As you see, we down here with the Becca.
What did you say, nigga?
Again. Today, we're going to be trying to finishing up putting these door panels back together and getting everything installed correctly. So, hopefully, we'll have a good time with this.
Absolutely fucking not.
Everything will go smooth. So, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, as you can see, I've taken down most of the door paneling on this side. I've already removed the door panel from the door, and right there on the side of the seat you see the speakers, and I've ran the wiring through this garment here up into the door panel, which was very difficult, but I got it done all the way through there. As you see it laying here, that way we can connect the wire to the other extensions and the LED heads on the door panel so we can have everything lighten up. But as you see, there's the head, the door panel that it'll be installed on, and there's the fiber optic kit ready to be fully installed. So hopefully we'll get that done real quickly.
5 minutes later.
Alright, got the door panel back on, got the fiber optic hooked in, LEDs lighting it up, so everything's powered and ready to go. Just need to finish putting all the paneling back together and do that other door over there, which I'll hopefully get done just rather quickly. But so far everything's looking good, everything's working fine. Like I say, just need to reinstall the rest of the screws and we'll be good to go. Alright, y'all, unfortunately I gotta go take care of some things, but I do have 3 of the door panels in. That one doesn't look as bright for some reason, so I'll definitely be checking that out. As you can see, I got them all flashing, but hopefully I'll get the other door panel done and have everything wired up and hidden tomorrow. So do me a favor, share this video, remember to hit that subscribe button, turn on all post notifications, leave a thumbs up and a comment. Till then, I'm out, y'all.